Okay, now that you've made your bow for on your wreath, with the wire that you have made the bow with, take it, wrap it around the entire wreath and knot it so that it's attached and that it's good and solid. Then if you want to take, you have your tails, you could keep longer tails on your wreath. You could take the extra ribbon if you would like to. If you want more tails on it, just take and tie them right around the wreath itself. Okay, and then you could also take and wrap it up around if you want to carry it throughout. A couple ways of finishing a wreath. One is at the end, you fold it in half, and if you cut it once, you've got a nice V point. The other way of doing it is if you just want to keep it cut at an angle. Other things you could do is take and tie a knot in it to add some interest to it. Then curve around your finger if you like it to be nice and spirally looking. And you could just work it yourself through your hands, and you're able to create that shape that you want in your wreath, in your ribbon, because of the wire on the outer edges. So there's other ways of doing it other than just attaching and slapping a bow up onto the wreath. Seriously think about it. This will give you a lot of movement in your wreath and interest as you go past it. So the next part is attaching your bow and really thinking about it as a piece of a busy, important element of your wreath.